कल अपलोड नहीं हुआ है क्या?
नहीं हुआ, मैं दोपहर को देखा, शाम को भी देखा, नहीं मिला मेरे को।
देखता हूँ मैं, पूछता हूँ उनको.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
So this is what can and could we have seen yesterday. Would like to ask any questions regarding can and could? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, so I want you to have at least two rounds with could. Okay, then we are going to learn new modal auxiliary verb today. Let's have two rounds with could once again. 2 rounds with I, 2 rounds with he, she, 2 rounds with it, 2 rounds with you, 2 rounds with we, 2 rounds with they. Can you please give me some sentence with could? I could. I could run fast. Could I run fast? I couldn't run fast. I could go there. Could I go there? I couldn't go there. Can you please give me some sentence like this? Could. She could help me. Could she help me? She couldn't help me. It could. It could abandon. Could it abandon? It couldn't abandon.
I could swim. Can I swim?
Take a verb and make sentences with could. Okay. Make sentences with could now. Yes. Guddu, please start.
I could swim. Could I swim? I couldn't swim.
Next. Continue.
I can take the lemon with water.
I could. I could.
Yes, sorry, sir. I could take lemon with water. Could I take lemon with water? Sir, could का not form क्या?
Couldn't.
I couldn't take the lemon with water.
Correct. So L will be silent there. Okay. That's what could, couldn't. Yes, ma'am.
I could find it.
Yes.
Hello, sir. I could find it.
Could I?
Could it find it?
I couldn't.
I couldn't find it.
Very good. I could find it. Could I find it? I couldn't find it. Next.
I could snowboarding. Could I snowboarding? I couldn't snowboarding.
I could snowboard. Could I snowboard? I couldn't snowboard. Next. Ma'am, Mr. Karthik, Mr. Pradeep, make sentences.
I could send you a message. Could I send you a message? I couldn't send you a message.
Very good. L will be silent. Okay, that's what could. L will be silent. Could. Continue.
I could drink. Could I drink? I couldn't drink.
Wrong. I could drink. Could I drink? I couldn't drink.
मेरे सर दिमाग में वही क्वेश्चन था, ये थर्ड फॉर्म सेकंड फॉर्म चलेगा उसको क्या नहीं?
Only first form लगाना है.
Okay.
Second, third form जो है past वगैरह के लिए यूज करते हैं ना अपन.
तो ऐसा मॉडल
could drive a car. Could I drive a car? I couldn't drive a car.
Very good.
I could not help it. Could I help it? I couldn't help it.
Very good. I could help it. Could I help it? I couldn't help it. Next.
He could catch it. He catch. He couldn't catch.
Very good. Can you make sentence with he, she? He could, she could.
She could break obstacle. Could she break obstacle? She couldn't break obstacle.
Obstacles. Very good.
Yes.
She could make a cake. Could she make a cake? She couldn't make a cake.
Very good. Yes.
She could drive a car. Could she drive a car? She couldn't drive a car.
She could build a company.
Could she drive a car? She couldn't drive a car. Next.
She could build a company. Could she build a company? She couldn't build a company.
Very good.
She could meet you. Could she meet you? She could meet you.
Meet you. Very good. She could meet you. Could she meet you? She couldn't meet you. Next.
He could draw the sketch. Could he draw the sketch? He couldn't draw the sketch.
Very good. Next.
She could find a file. Could she find a file? She couldn't find a file.
Very good.
He could eat an apple. Could he eat
an apple? An apple.
He could eat an apple. Could he eat an apple?
Could she eat an apple?
Apple. Could he couldn't eat an apple?
Eat an apple. Very good.
She could forget you. Could she forget you? She couldn't forget you.
Next.
He could forgive me. Could he forgive me? He couldn't forgive me.
Very good. Forgive me.
Forgive.
Yes.
He couldn't add me in group. Could he add me in group? He couldn't add me in group.
Good. Next.
She could charge your phone. Could she charge your phone? She couldn't charge your phone.
Very good. Next.
She could help you. Could he shall? She could help you. Hello, sir.
Could he help you?
Agar again.
She couldn't help you.
Very good. She could help you. Could she help you? She couldn't help you. Next.
He could accept reality. Could he accept reality? He couldn't accept reality.
Very good.
She could run fast. Could she run fast? She couldn't run fast.
Good. Next.
She could clean the room. Could she clean the room? She couldn't clean the room.
Very good.
She could lead better. Could she lead better? She couldn't lead better.
Good. Next.
She could blush. Could she blush? She couldn't blush.
Okay. Can you make sentence with it could? It could.
It could agree later. Could it agree later? It couldn't agree later.
Very good.
It could command on network. Could he command on network? It couldn't command on network.
It could
Very-
fly in the sky. Could it fly in the sky? It couldn't fly in the sky.
Very good.
It could
Yes.
ask you. Could it ask you? It couldn't ask you.
Very good. It could ask you.
Could
Could
capsize from cops. It capsize from cops. It couldn't capsize from cops.
Very good.
It
Yes.
could attack on you. Could it attack on you? It couldn't attack on you.
Very good. It could attack on you. Could it attack on you? It couldn't attack on you. Next.
It could blame. Could it blame? It couldn't blame.
Very good.
It could arrange. Could it arrange? It couldn't arrange.
It
Very
could
good.
attack. Could it attack? It couldn't attack.
Good. Arrange, attack. Next.
सर
Yes.
मुझे है ना इट के बारे में जरा ये इसमें बताओ ना क्योंकि उसमें है ना सिर्फ वो इसको लगता है 3-4 चीजें क्या ध्यान में प्लेसेस के लिए एनिमल के लिए और हेलो
Yes, guys. When do we use it?
क्योंकि बराबर प्रॉपर सेंटेंस नहीं आ रहा बनाते इट से
आप थोड़ा सुनेंगे मैं एक्सप्लेन करूं क्या नहीं?
यस यस
ध्यान दो. Yes. When do we use it? Who can tell me this?
प्लेस एनिमल थिंक एन आइडिया
We use it for animals, things, places, and ideas. Yes or no?
यस
Now animal. अब animal के साथ में मैं sentence कैसे बना रहा हूँ? Dog. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Dog barks. Dog can bark. Sorry. Dog can bark. कुत्ता भौंक सकता है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अब वो जो डॉग है उसकी जगह पे मैं क्या यूज करूंगा? It's
It can.
सिंपल. वो डॉग की जगह पे मैंने क्या यूज किया वहां पर?
It can.
It can bark. Dog can bark. It can bark. Same case. It can roar. Roar का मतलब क्या होता है?
Dahad.
दहाड़. शेर चिल्लाता है ना, शेर, उसको बोलेंगे रोर. सो शेर कौन है? लायन. लायन कैन रोर. उसकी जगह पे मैंने क्या यूज किया? इट कैन रोर. बोथ आर करेक्ट. सेम केस. इट कैन रोर या तो फिर इट कुड रोर. नेक्स्ट. अभी थिंग्स के ऊपर मैं सेंटेंस बना रहा हूँ. इट. अभी इट कौन है? इट कौन है ये? यस, ये इट कौन है? ये इट इज अ चीज. अब वो कौन सी चीज है? इट वो है मेरा चार्जर. ओके, इट इज माई चार्जर. अब मुझे मेरे चार्जर के ऊपर सेंटेंस, तो मैं कैसे बनाऊंगा चार्जर? सो मैं उसको बोल सकता हूँ इट कैन वर्क. वो काम कर सकता है. कौन? चार्जर काम कर सकता है. तो मैं सिंपल बोल सकता हूँ चार्जर कैन वर्क. इट कैन वर्क, चार्जर कैन वर्क. गेटिंग इट? नेक्स्ट वन. इट के ऊपर एक और चीज लेता हूँ मैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट्स फैन है. फैन के लिए हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? इट कैन रोटेट. इट कैन रोटेट फास्ट. कौन है इट? फैन. आई कैन से
Fan.
fan can rotate fast. It can rotate fast or fan can rotate fast. अब मैं प्लेस के लिए बना रहा हूँ सेंटेंस. प्लेस के लिए it can win the match. कौन भाई? इंडिया. 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 Please mute yourself and pay attention. It can win the match or India can win the match. Okay? It and India both are the same. So place के लिए use हो रहा है it. For example, it can allow Indians. It can allow Indians. कौन? Who is this it? USA can allow Indians. America. Yes or no? America क्या है? USA place है. Place के लिए it use हो रहा है. Next, idea. Idea के लिए भी मैं use कर सकता हूँ. For example, it can hurt me. क्या? Performance. आपका performance मुझे hurt कर सकता है. Your performance can hurt me. Performance क्या है? Idea है. Same case. It can spoil your career. What can spoil your career? Cheating. Cheating can spoil your career. Cheating क्या है? Idea है और उसके लिए मैंने यूज किया it. Getting it? समझ में आया आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, can you please give me some sentence with you, we, they? You could, we could, they could. जल्दी जल्दी कीजिए प्लीज. मुझे आज दूसरा ये पढ़ाना है आप लोगों को. न्यू
You could
मॉडल
teach. You could teach me. Could you teach me? You couldn't teach me.
Very good. Yes. Continue.
You could read a lesson.
Could you?
Could you read a lesson? You couldn't read a lesson.
Very good. Yes.
You could best teacher.
Car. Could you purchase a car? Couldn't purchase a car.
Purchase a car. You could purchase a car. You could be a best teacher. You could be a best teacher. Could you be a best teacher? You couldn't be a best teacher.
You
Yes,
could
continue.
be a best teacher. Could you be a best teacher? You couldn't be a best teacher.
Very good. Next.
You could drive a car. Could you drive a car? You couldn't drive a car.
Very good. Next.
You could
It-
describe better. Could you describe better? You couldn't describe better.
Very good.
Inspire me. Could it inspire me? It couldn't inspire me.
Very good. Next sentence with
You
you, we,
pay
they.
money. Could you pay money? You couldn't pay money.
Very good.
You could behave a good person. Could you behave a good person? You couldn't behave a good person.
You could behave
You
like a.
could-
Could you behave like a good person? You couldn't behave like a good person.
You could destroy my future. Could you destroy my future? You couldn't destroy my future.
Very good. Next. Yes. We could. They could. We could. They could.
You could strike. Could you strike? You couldn't strike.
Yes.
They
We
could.
could.
They could play a cricket. Could they play cricket? They couldn't play a cricket.
They could play
We
cricket.
could win the competition. Could we win the competition? We couldn't win the competition.
Very good.
We
Next.
could lead point. Could he? We could lead point. Could he? No.
Could we?
We could lead point. Could he be lead point? We couldn't lead point.
Very good.
Could they be eating a success? They couldn't eating a success.
Very good.
Did we draw the picture? Could we draw the picture? We couldn't draw the picture.
Very good.
We could make a good leader. Could we make a good leader? We couldn't make a good leader.
Good.
They could royal person. Could they royal person? They couldn't royal person.
They could be a royal person. Could they be a royal person? They couldn't be a royal person.
They could find a right way. They couldn't find a. Could they find the right way? They couldn't find the right way.
We
Very
could
good.
busy in chores. Could we busy in chores? We couldn't busy in chores.
Very good. Yes. We could, they could.
They could
We
hang
could-
out. Can they hang out? They can't hang out.
They couldn't hang out.
They couldn't hang out.
Yes.
We could listen a poem. Could we listen a poem? We couldn't listen a poem.
Very good. Yes.
They could.
They
Could they reading a book? They couldn't be reading book.
Read a book.
they could swimming a river. They couldn't swimming a river. They
Could they swim a river?
They could sail machine. Could they sail machine? They couldn't sail machine.
Very good.
We could walk daily.
Buy
Could we
lunch.
walk daily? We couldn't walk daily.
Very
They
good.
could buy lunch. Could they buy lunch? They couldn't buy lunch.
Buy lunch. Okay. Please pay attention. Yesterday we have finished with can and could. Now today we are going to have two more. May and might. Both are the same. May and might both are the same. जैसे can and could same है, वैसे may and might both are the same. See, how much are you practicing? It depends on your practice. That how much are you learning and earning English? आप कितना पढ़ रहे हैं उसको घर पर? It depends on your practice. जितना आप लोग practice करेंगे उतना आप लोग को आएगा. So today we are going to see two modal auxiliary verbs. May and might both are the same. दोनों भी same है. May and might both are the same. But might is what? It is old fashion. ये बहुत old fashion है. आज के ज़माने में might चलता नहीं है. खाली may चलता है. Might भी use कर सकते हैं. कोई आपको फांसी नहीं लगाएगा. But may is more trending than might. Might आज के ज़माने में use होता नहीं है. They don't use might now. We use only may. Okay? Point number one. So we may and might both are the same. Now before we go ahead, ये आप लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा काम में आने वाली चीज़ है. Shall I ask you some questions? क्या मैं आपको कुछ question पूछूं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बहुत दिनों में मैंने आप लोगों को question पूछा नहीं है.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Suppose for example, if you get rejected in an interview, what are you going to do? क्या मैंने आपको पूछा था ये पहले कभी?
No, sir.
No sir.
Okay, चलो देखते हैं अपने क्लास में कौन कितना बड़ा gentleman है. Suppose if you get rejected in an interview, what are you going to do? क्या करेंगे आप लोग? आप लोग इंटरव्यू में रिजेक्ट हो गए, आप लोग करेंगे क्या?
I again prepare myself for interview.
Very good girl. But at that point, at that time, what are you going to do? आप वो टाइम पर क्या करेंगे? With that interview. अब आपको मालूम पड़ेगा कि उसने आपको रिजेक्ट किया है. पहली बात तो बोलते नहीं वो लोग ऐसा कि हमने आपको रिजेक्ट किया. पर अगर आपको मालूम पड़ा that you got rejected, what are you going to do? क्या करेंगे आप उसके?
I felt sad, sir.
You will feel sad. Okay. Okay. और क्या क्या करेंगे भाई? और क्या करेंगे? कार्तिक
जो क्वेश्चन
बाहेर आता मी मला जरा माझा भाऊ थांबले तिथं अंकित सिस्टम रेडी ठेवा आणि आपल्याला रिजेक्ट केलंय द्यायचं याला आता. क्या करेंगे?
Sir, think about more possibility.
What sort of possibility?
Again, prepare for next interview.
Okay, very good. Okay, yes, Guddu, you were saying something.
सर और कंपनी में ट्राई करेंगे और जो क्वेश्चन पे रिजेक्ट हुए उस पे अच्छी ये प्रिपेयर करेंगे.
Very nice. और
तर ज्या वीक पॉइंटवर मला रिजेक्ट केला असेल त्याच्यावर स्ट्रॉंग बनवेल.
Okay, you're going to make your more stronger points, your weaker points.
First,
Okay.
firstly find out your mistake when why you are rejected.
Okay.
Then you can
आपको पता है मैं क्या करूंगा?
नो
जानना है आप लोग को मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ?
नो सर
नहीं जानना है आपको?
वो जगह छोड़
जानना है
के
सर।
निकल जाएंगे सर.
Sir, you can do the best thing than other people.
मैं क्या करूंगा पता है आपको? वहां पर मैं उधर होप्स नहीं छोडूंगा, मेरा हिम्मत नहीं छोडूंगा उधर. काय तुम्ही मला रिजेक्ट केलंय, आणा आमची फाईल येतं, जाऊ द्या. काय तुम्ही घेतलं ना मला कंपनीमध्ये, चल रे, ऐसे बोलेंगे.
नो सर नो और कंपनी में
No,
ट्राई
sir.
करेंगे.
अपने इधर क्या करते लोग, ऐसे रिजेक्ट किया ना ऐसा तो ऐसे दरवाजा पटक के आते धाड करू. काय तुम्ही घेतलं ना मला तुमच्या कंपनीमध्ये, तुमची कंपनी भंगार आहे. मैं क्या करने वाला हूं पता है
थँक्यू
आपको?
बोलो नील तिथं.
वेरी नाइस, वाओ, अमेजिंग.
क्या क्या बोला सर
मैं
उसने?
क्या मालूम है आपको? मैं क्या करूंगा? I'll get out of the cabin.
मी तर थँक्यू बोलू नील.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. अब मैं आपको एक चीज सुनाता हूँ, ध्यान दीजिए मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ वहां पर. I'll come out of the cabin and will write a letter to the interviewer. मैं एक इंटरव्यूअर को लेटर लिखूंगा वहां से. इंटरव्यूअर को क्या करूंगा मैं? उधर से एक लेटर लिखूंगा. And what letter is that? Thank you letter. Thank you so much for cooperating with me, and thank you so much for granting me such a great opportunity to face interview in front of you, and I've learned so many things, and I believe that this experience is going to help me in future as well, and I'm regretting about my failure, but I do believe that I'll be preparing my next time better way, and it was really great experience to be with you. Thank you so much for interviewing me. Thank you. Regards, Ansar Idrisi. आपको मालूम है क्या होगा इसकी वजह से? जब आप लोगों ने हेड़ा कह रहा है, तेरे को रिजेक्ट बोला तो उसको थैंक यू बोल के आ रहा है. हाँ, आपको पता है क्यों? बिकॉज 100 कैंडिडेट उसके पास में आए थे, उसने 90 लोगों को रिजेक्ट किया. वो 90 में आप भी थे, मतलब मैं भी था. और
उसमें
वो
से आप
90 लोगों ने रिजेक्ट होने के बाद में 90 लोगों ने रिजेक्ट होने के बाद में क्या किया? सबके सब अपने घर को चले गए. और मैंने क्या किया उधर? उसको लेटर लिखा थैंक यू का. तो जब उसको लेटर मिलेगा ना थैंक यू का, ओ माय गॉड, ये किसने लिखा है यार? ये लड़के को तो मैंने रिजेक्ट किया था. वाओ, जिंदगी में पहली बार देख रहा हूँ कि कोई लड़का रिजेक्ट होने के बाद में थैंक यू बोलकर जा रहा है. दुनिया तो क्या करती है, दरवाजा पटकती है, कोई जाते जाते गाड़ी पंक्चर करके आता है, कोई गालियां देके जाता है, तुम्हें मला रिजेक्ट केला है. उसने थैंक यू बोलकर गया. मीन्स व्हाट? ही इज एन एटिकेट बॉय. तमीज वाला लड़का है ये लड़का, इसको एटिकेट है, वेल मैनर्ड है, वेल बिहेवियर है. वो आपका सीवी निकालेगा, बोलेगा पिन गए थे सीवी कार्ड जरा थे एकाचा, उसका नाम देगा अभी अंसारी इद्रीसी, उसका सीवी निकाल. वो अंकित का सीवी निकाल जरा, अंकित कुमार म्हणून तक सीवी आला है. सीवी निकालेगा आपका, साइड को रखेगा. अब उनको चाहिए थे उधर 10 कैंडिडेट्स, उन लोग के पास में सिर्फ 8 ही कैंडिडेट उनको मिले अच्छे. 2 का सीट बाकी है या फिर 1 का सीट बाकी है. आपको मालूम है क्या करेगा वो? आपको कॉल करेगा, बोलेगा हेलो अंकित, yes sir, you have been interviewed right at this company, can you please come tomorrow? कल आप आ सकते हैं क्या? We have to discuss something. वो अंकित को उसकी अच्छाई की वजह से कंपनी में ले डालेगा. वो बोलेगा ओ माय गॉड, डिग्री तो सबके पास में, डिग्री सबके पास में, बट ये एटिकेट, ये वेल मैनर्ड, ये ब्रेन, ये नेचर, ये बिहेवियर सबके पास में होता है क्या? वो बोलेगा येऊ दे अन्ना कंपनीमध्ये. आपको कुछ भी बोल के सिलेक्ट करेगा वो, आपको कुछ भी बोल के अपनी कंपनी में लेगा वो. दिस इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू हैव टू यूज योर ब्रेन. दिमाग यूज करो वहां पर, दिमाग यूज करो. मैं आप लोग को एक चीज बताता हूं, ध्यान देना मेरी बात पर. आपको मैं खाली ब्रेन की चीज बता रहा हूँ, उसको नेगेटिव वे में लेना मत, वरना मैं आज को आपको कभी फिर कोई बात बताऊंगा नहीं फिर, अगर ऐसा अगर आप लोग नेगेटिव में लेंगे तो। प्रॉमिस?
Yeah, promise, sir.
माई क्वेश्चन इज देयर टू ऑल ऑफ यू, वी हैव टू पीपल, अभी मेरे पास में दो लोग हैं, मिस्टर ए एंड मिस्टर बी। मिस्टर ए एंड मिस्टर बी, मेरे पास में दो लोग हैं, मिस्टर ए एंड मिस्टर बी। आप लोगों को पहली बात समझ में आई ना, मैंने जो अभी आप लोग को इंटरव्यू के बारे में बोला कि आप लोग को करना क्या है, ब्रेन का इस्तेमाल करने का, आपके ब्रेन यूज करने का, एंड ट्राई टू यूज इट वेल. हा आपला डोका आहे ना त्याला चांगला यूज करा, डोका आहे हा आपला, खोका नाहीये. ओके, उसको अच्छा यूज करने का. सेम केस, नाउ वी हैव टू पीपल, अभी अपने पास में दो लोग हैं, मिस्टर ए एंड मिस्टर बी. मिस्टर ए ने एक मर्डर किया और मिस्टर बी ने 100 मर्डर्स किया. गौर से सुनना मेरी बात को. मिस्टर ए मर्डर्ड 1 मैन एंड मिस्टर बी मर्डर्ड 100 men. दोनों को सजा, आप में से ज्यादा सजा, दोनों में से क्या सजा देंगे आप दोनों को?
थोड़ा
सारखी सजा. सेम
कार्तिक
सारखी सजा सर.
सेम
Same
सजा
सजा.
देंगे.
हम्म.
ओके, यस गुड्डू.
थोड़ा कारण ज्यादा करा के एक ही सर, सेम सजा.
ओके, सेम पनिशमेंट. ज्योत्सना मैम.
कुछ भी किया तो भी बी ने ज्यादा मर्डर किए, फिर भी लास्ट
Yes.
अगर फांसी देनी है तो दोनों को ही मरना ही है ना.
ओके, मीन्स व्हाट, सेम पनिशमेंट, राइट?
सेम, यस सर.
ओके, अंकित.
हा सर,
काय करायचं दोघांचा?
तेच विचार करतोय सर.
सर
यस प्रदीप.
बी को तो 100% फांसी होगी, लेकिन ए को अपन चांस दे सकते हैं सर.
ओके ओके, तूने अभी मेरे वाइफ का मर्डर किया, अभी मेरे भाई का भी मर्डर, चांस दिया मैंने तेरे को.
ऐसे नहीं सर, लेकिन उसको क्या, उसकी गलती का उसको ऐसा हो जाएगा सर जब वो सजा काटेगा तो.
सर मी
चैताली?
ए ला पनिशमेंट देणार आणि बी ला सुधारण्यासाठी थोडंसं.
100 मर्डर केल्यानंतर सुधारण्यासाठी त्याला, ए तुला आज पार्टी आमच्या घरी, बिर्याणी तिथं कडकवाली एकदम.
सर लेकिन उसने 100 मर्डर किए तो कुछ ब्रेन चला के ही किए होंगे ना. सो
क्या बात?
आप उसको बता सकते हैं, आप मर्डर करने की जगह और कुछ कीजिए.
हो,
हॅलो.
मर्डर नको करू, तो फक्त माझ्या घरी ये, मस्त बिर्याणी.
हॅलो
येस अंकित.
सर, आधी दोघांचा सत्कार कराल.
आई शपथ, सत्कार. अरे आपली शकुंतलाला मारले त्यांनी.
पण त्याला पण काहीतरी रिझन असेल ना सर.
काहीतरी गरज असेल. अरे ती नम्रताला
Reason,
मारलं
reason.
तिने.
गरज नाही सर, रिझन बोललो. सत्कार करण्यासाठी पण काहीतरी रिझन असेल ना.
ए तू ते माझे ते मैत्रिणीला का मारलं रे? ती एकटीच होती ना माझ्याकडे. रिझन होता ना तुझ्याकडे? जाऊ दे मग, रिझन होता ना, जाऊ दे मग. आपको मालूम मैं क्या करूंगा? कार्तिक आंसर नहीं दिया मेरे भाई. पनिशमेंट
Sir,
देना है.
सेम पनिशमेंट सर. बोललो ना सुरुवातीला.
ओ सॉरी. आपको मालूम मैं क्या करूंगा?
समथिंग डिफरेंस.
दोनों को छोड़ देंगे सर.
ना.
शकुंतला को मारे.
एक मर्डर किया है ना, अभी आप लोग सुनेंगे तो शॉक हो जाएंगे, बोले यार ये क्या बोल रहा है.
उसको चांस देंगे सर. आप पहले वाले
नहीं.
को तू भी और 99 कर ले.
मैं आपको बताता हूँ, देखो, जिसने एक मर्डर किया है ना, उसको तो देने वाला हूं मैं फांसी, एग्जीक्यूशन. और जिसने 100 मर्डर्स किया है ना, उसको एक ब्लैक होल सेल के अंदर डाल दूंगा मैं, उसको अकेला ऐसी जेल में डालूंगा उसको, जहां पे वो खाली अकेला रहेगा ना, उससे कोई बात करेगा, उधर टॉयलेट रहेगा. संजय रेड्डी को डाला था मालूम है ना?
यस सर.
हाँ
Yes.
यस सर।
I know.
उधर टॉयलेट रहेगा और खाना उसको ऐसे दूर से देंगे, उससे बात करने वाला ही कोई नहीं रहेगा उधर, नो लाइट्स नथिंग, खाली वो अकेला रहेगा, उसको छोड़ दूंगा वैसे ही मैं। आप बोलोगे उसमें क्या होने वाला है, आपको मालूम है क्या होने वाला है उससे? अब इसके अंदर खाली एक ही बंदा मेरे को आंसर दे सकता है उसका, और वो मालूम है कौन है? मेरा
Who
प्रदीप,
sir?
फक्त माझा
सर
प्रदीप।
सर धीरे धीरे पूर्ण आपने खुद को
हाँ
खो दिया उतना।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, आपको मालूम है ये सजा क्यों दूंगा मैं?
Sir,
क्योंकि
can I?
क्योंकि प्रदीप ने मुझे एक बात बोला था कि सर साहब लाफे से डर नहीं लगता है, जुदाई से डर लगता है।
सर ने क्या टाइम करते जा रहा था, उसको अवॉइड कोई नहीं कर रहा था।
आपको मालूम है
नहीं
किसी
कर
इंसान
उसको क्लाइम।
अभी कोई इंसान अगर रहेगा ना, कोई व्यक्ति रहेगा, उसको आप लोग क्या करो, इग्नोर करो। सी इग्नोर हिम, उसको बहुत ज्यादा बेचैनी होती है नहीं?
Yes sir.
अभी गुड्डू है, गुड्डू ने क्या किया, शबाना को मैसेज किया हाय, अब उसने क्या किया, मैसेज सीन किया, गुड्डू को रिप्लाई नहीं दिया। रिप्लाई का देत नहीं है, मला रिप्लाई का देत नहीं है, गुड्डू इग्नोर हो रहा है, तो गुड्डू अंदर से गुस्सा हो रहा है। क्यों? क्योंकि उससे वो बात नहीं कर रही है। आपको मालूम है क्या होगा उससे? जब वो अकेला रहेगा ना, अकेला रहेगा, इतने साल तक क्या अकेला रहेगा, 1 साल 2 साल 4 महीने 5 महीने 10 महीने 10 साल, आपको मालूम है वो अकेला रहने से पागल हो जाएगा। वो क्या हो जाएगा, वो पागल हो जाएगा, और वो पल पल मरेगा, वो हर पल मरेगा वो। समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
वो पागल हो जाएगा और हर पल मरेगा वो। आप लोग देखो, कभी आपका कोई फ्रेंड वगैरह रहेगा, कार्तिक आपण तिच्यासाठी स्टेटस ठेवला आहे का नाही, आणि तिने स्टेटस बघितलाय माझा, अरे यार
सर मी स्टेटस ठेवतच
काय
नाही.
होणार कार्तिक, मी स्टेटस ठेवत नाही, अरे है का नहीं अंकित? आप समझ रहे मेरी बात को, कि मैंने उसके साथ में किया क्या, मारा नहीं उसको, मारा नहीं उसको, खाली छोड़ दिया अकेला। और अकेलापन जो है ना, इंसान को सबसे ज्यादा मारता है, सबसे ज्यादा मारता है। अभी आप लोग को तो बताने की जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि आप लोग सब मजनू
बरोबर
हो,
सर.
मालूम है, बहुत सारे लोग देखो बरोबर बोल रहे हो भी, है की नाही कार्तिक? बरोबर आहे सर,
येस सर.
चालत असतो आमचा। तो सेम केस, इफ यू आर लिविंग समवन लाइक दिस, द पर्सन विल डाई, एवरी मोमेंट ही विल डाई। सेकंड थिंग, मैं आपको एक स्टोरी बताता हूँ, शॉर्ट स्टोरी, फिर हम लोग आगे जाएंगे। ये सब मैं कम्युनिकेशन के लिए बता रहा हूँ आपको, कि आपको करना क्या है। यूज योर ब्रेन, ट्राई टू यूज योर ब्रेन, आपका ब्रेन यूज कीजिए, उससे मालूम पड़ेगा आप लोग कितने इंटेलिजेंट है। मारो मत, मारो मत,
धीरे मरेगा सर।
डेली मरेगा वो। प्रदीप को
डेली।
करेक्ट। प्रदीप कैसा होता बताओ जरा।
वो अभी तक पता नहीं सर वैसा।
वो अपने साथ में, मेरे को मालूम है।
हेलो सर।
यस
सर आपकी स्टोरी के बाद मुझे भी कुछ तो बताना है।
ओ वाओ, श्योर, मैं एक
क्या
छोटा
नहीं
सा
सर?
स्टोरी बोलता हूँ। या श्योर श्योर। यू नो वंस व्हाट हैपेंड इन चाइना, देयर वर टू पीपल, दो लोग थे चाइना में,
हिंचांग चिंग।
दोनों लोग झगड़ रहे थे। यस
कुछ नहीं सर, कुछ नहीं, सॉरी।
ध्यान दो यहाँ पर, चाइना के अंदर दो लोग थे, वो लड़ रहे थे एक में से, झगड़ रहे थे वो। तूने ये बोला, उधर उसने बोला, चंग चुचू पोंग पोंग चंग पोंग पोंग पोंग, और अपना इंडियन उधर खड़े रह के देख रहा था उसको, मार 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 मार। वो अपना इंडियन खड़े रह के देख रहा था, अरे मारला ना त्याने त्याला, अरे मार की, अरे मार की, अरे मार 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 मार। एट लास्ट व्हाट हैपेंड, चंग चुंग पोंग पोंग पोंग, दोनों ने लड़ाई खत्म किया, एक इधर गया एक इधर गया। अब अपना इंडियन जो था वो सोच रहा था, अरे यार एवढं मस्त वाचावाची चाललेली आहे, मारला नाही त्यांनी त्याला, उसने उसको मारा नहीं यार। उसको जरा कैसे तो भी होने लगा, मला कसं तरी होतोय। उसने गया भागते भागते एक के पीछे, उसको लगे पकड़ा, बोला एक्सक्यूज मी, You were fighting with that person. He said yes. But you didn't beat him. आपने उसको मारा नहीं. तुम्ही त्याला मारला नाही. आप वो आदमी के साथ में लड़ रहे थे उधर. आपने उसको मारा नहीं. उसने आपको मालूम है क्या आंसर दिया? He said, if I would have beaten him up, the public who was seeing us would have considered that I've lost the battle and he is the winner. क्या बोला उसने? कि अगर मैंने उसको अगर मारा होता पहले, तो जो पब्लिक हमको देख रही थी ना, हमारा झगड़ा, वो समझ गए होते कि मेरे पास में अभी वर्बल पावर खत्म हो गया है और मैंने अभी हाथ का पावर इस्तेमाल किया और मैं बैटल जीतने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं. और दुनिया को लगता था, जो मेरे को देख रहे थे, उन लोगों को क्या लगता था कि मैं हार गया हूं और ये आदमी जीत गया है, करके मैंने उसको मारा नहीं. समझा आप लोगों को?
यस सर. सर इस स्टोरी में आने
क्या बोला उसको? अगर मैं उसको मारता था, लोग समझते थे कि बाबा इसके पास में भी वर्बल पावर, कम्युनिकेशन पावर खत्म हो गया है, करके इसने अभी इसका किसका सहारा लिया? हाथ का. और मैं इतना वीक नहीं हूं. और अपने इधर क्या होता है? अपने इधर का थर्ड क्लास हीरो रहता है, वो क्या बोलता है? मैं पहले मारता हूं, फिर बाद में पूछता हूं मैटर क्या है. अरे यू थर्ड क्लास, सॉरी टू से दिस. एक नंबर का चीप हीरो रहता है अपने इधर का. एक बार मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, फिर मैं अपना बाप की भी नहीं सुनता. सुन रहा सुन, नहीं तो मत सुन. हमको क्या? If you see, this attitude can kill you. आपको ये वाला एटीट्यूड मार सकता है. उसने देखो, अगर अपने इंडियन लोग, अपने लोकल लोग, अपन लोग खुद अगर ये एटीट्यूड अगर रखेंगे कि भाई इसका इस्तेमाल नहीं करना, तो कहीं पे झगड़े होंगे क्या? मारा मारी होगी क्या?
No, sir.
Getting it?
No sir.
Yeah. Remember, use your brain. Yes, Miss Chaitali, can you please say something? You were saying something.
सर, आपने मन में है विश्वास बुक रीड किया है क्या, विश्वास नांगरे पाटिल का?
नहीं, मैंने रीड नहीं किया अभी तक.
सर, उसमें ना
क्यों?
उन्होंने एक्सपीरियंस बताया है कि एक बार क्या हुआ, एक प्लेस पे एक चोर ने चोरी, जो विश्वास नांगरे पाटिल है वो वहां पहुंचा है और वो चोर भागने लगा. तो नांगरे पाटिल उनके पीछे भागे, लेकिन वो चोर उनको मिला ही नहीं. वो इतना जोर से भाग रहा था कि उनको मिला ही नहीं. और रात भर वो भागता रहा, लेकिन उनको नहीं मिला. वो इतनी जोर से भाग रहा था और थोड़ी देर बाद भागते भागते वो वेल में गिर के मर गया. तो उस घटना के बाद विश्वास नांगरे पाटिल बोले कि वो चोर जो मुझे मिलता ना, तो मैं उसको सजा नहीं देता, मैं उसको समझाता कि मैं उसको कंपटीशन में भेजता, कि वो इतना फास्ट भाग रहा था.
वाओ.
सर
Yes.
वो स्टोरी वैसी नहीं है. वो एक्चुअली वो जो चोर था ना, वो मर्डर करके जाते. वो दो लोग थे, तो उसमें का एक जन को गोली मारते, तो जो सेकंड वाला रहता ना, तो इतना भागता कि वो जब हो जाता ना सब पूरा कंप्लीट, तो विश्वास नांगरे पाटिल वो जब पहुंचते ना किलोमीटर, तो 154 किलोमीटर उसने ना कुछ ऐसा घंटों में पार किया था. ऐसा था कुछ वो.
Oh my God.
हाँ, एक सेशन में उन्होंने बताई थी ये.
Wow.
ओलंपिक का फर्स्ट आया था वो, जब इसको भगा रहे थे तो.
Great.
मैंने उनसे बुक से पढ़ा सर.
Nice. See, this is what
मैंने उनका वीडियो सुना था.
great thoughts. इसको बोलते हैं great thoughts. आप लोग यहाँ से अगर सोचेंगे तो आप लोग दुनिया को बदल सकते हैं. और अगर आप लोग कहीं और से सोचेंगे तो दुनिया को बदल नहीं सकते आप लोग. चलो. So by the way, today I hope आप लोगों को आज का स्टोरी समझ में आ रहेगा, पसंद आ रहेगा, आप लोगों को कुछ सीखने मिला रहेगा वहां से, और आप
Yes,
लोग
sir.
उसके ऊपर ऑब्जर्वेशन करेंगे आप उसका. Let's go. Now the next one is what may. When do we use may? When do we use may? Modal auxiliary may. May कब use करते हैं? Who can tell me when do we use may?
For
We use may
permission.
only for, yes,
For permission.
very good. And
To ask something, sir.
okay, we use may only for two things. या वेरी गुड, पॉसिबिलिटी एंड परमिशन, खाली दो चीज के लिए यूज करते हैं हम लोग, पॉसिबिलिटी एंड परमिशन. आई थिंक दैट पॉसिबिलिटी मे, दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ पर मे, पॉसिबिलिटी, परमिशन मे. बाकी आपको कहीं पे मे दिख रहा है?
No, sir.
No. So we use may for possibility and permission. We use may for possibility and permission. Same case, might for possibility and for permission. But might is old fashioned. I think this might is old fashioned. Might I borrow your book? It is old fashioned. पुराने इंग्लिश में यूज करते थे, आज के इसमें यूज नहीं करते. We use may for only two things, and that's what? Possibility and permission. Possibility and permission. And same case, might is also used for possibility and permission. We use might for possibility and permission only. Any doubts? अब possibility क्या होता है वो देखिए प्लीज. Possibility means what?
शक्यता.
Correct, शक्यता. Possibility ऐसा हो सकता है. For example, it may rain today. आज बारिश हो सकता है. आज बारिश हो सकता है. It may rain today. Possibility है, शक्यता है. For example, he may call me. वो मुझे कॉल कर सकता है, शक्यता है. He may call me. Next one, she may attend my lecture. वो मेरा लेक्चर अटेंड कर सकती है. ती माझा लेक्चर अटेंड करू शकते. That's what? Possibility. शक्यता है वो मेरा लेक्चर अटेंड कर सकती हैं. वो मैडम मेरा लेक्चर अटेंड कर सकती है. She may attend my lecture. So it is what? Possibility. She may attend my lecture. She may attend my lecture. Next one, permission. Permission means what?
परवानगी.
Correct.
परवानगी.
परवानगी. अब अपन बोलते हैं ना, may I come in? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? परवानगी करना है. सेम केस, may I leave now? मी आता जाऊ का घरी? May I leave now? So it is what? परवानगी. Permission. Getting it? So may I leave
Yes, sir.
now? Permission. तो permission के लिए भी अपन यूज कर सकते हैं may. मैं ऐसा करू शकतो का? For example, may you explain me? क्या आप मुझे explain करेंगे please? May you explain me? Or can you explain me? Can you explain to me? May you explain to me? So may. So we are using may and might for possibility and permission. Same case, it may rain today. उसकी जगह पे अपन क्या यूज कर सकते हैं?
Might.
It might rain today. Very good. Or possibility, he may call, or
Might. He
correct,
might.
might call me. Same case, same. तो मला कॉल करू शकतो. Possibility है. She may attend my lecture, or she
She might.
Might.
attend my lecture. Very good. She might attend my lecture. For example, may I come in, or
Might.
might I
Might
come
I
in?
come in?
अब यहाँ पर जो है might, अभी मैंने आपको बोला that might is absolutely
Old.
old fashioned. It is old fashioned. Old fashioned मतलब यानी पुराने जमाने में यूज करते थे, आज के जमाने में यूज करते. कभी ऐसे सुना कि आपने might I come in, sir?
No, sir.
No, we don't say like this. So next one, may I leave now, or might I leave now? May you explain me, or might you explain to me? All right? All right?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
may and might both are the same. We are going to make sentences first for may, then for might. Okay? For example, I may. मी असं करू शकतो. ऐसा शक्यता है. I may. For example, I may arrange a
I may
meeting.
take.
Okay? I may arrange a meeting.
Meet.
म्हणजे मीटिंग अरेंज करू शकतो. शक्यता आहे. Question?
May I arrange a meeting?
Very good. May I arrange a meeting? मी एक मीटिंग अरेंज करू शकतो का? परमिशन आहे. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And negative, I
May not.
May not.
very
I may not
I may not. I may not का short form क्या आएगा? I
meant.
mayn't.
Meant.
Very good, very good. I mayn't arrange a meeting. So now I may arrange a meeting. What sentence is this? किसका sentence है ये?
Possibility.
Correct. Possibility का sentence है ये. Very good. May I arrange a meeting?
Permission.
Permission.
Correct. Permission. वो परवानगी मांग रहा है. Permission मांग रहा है. And I mayn't attend the meeting.
Possibility.
Possibility.
Correct. Possibility. Actually ये possibility कैसी possibility है? Negative वाली possibility है.
हाँ, yes, negative. I may not
ऐसा
arrange it.
जहाँ तक कि मुझे लगता है कि मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकता हूँ. I may arrange a meeting. May I arrange a meeting? I mayn't arrange a meeting. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Simple it is. Okay, it is very, very simple. Very, very, very simple. Next one. He may. He may collect banners. वो banners correct करेगा. Question?
May he collect banners.
Collect banners. Negative?
He meant collect banners.
Correct. He mayn't collect
Collect
banners.
banners.
So he may collect banners. May he collect banners? He mayn't collect banners. All right. Any questions to anyone?
No, sir.
Can you please give me some sentences like this? I may. Sentences. Make sentences with I may.
May I call you? May I call you? I meant call you.
Yes.
I may take holiday today. May I take holiday today? I may take holiday today.
Very good. Very good. Yes. Continue. Continue, please, all of you.
I may submit the assignment. May I submit the assignment? I meant submit the assignment.
Very good. Next.
I may adopt the child. May I adopt the child? I meant adopt the child.
I may drive a car.
May I ask you a question? May I ask you a question? I meant ask you a question.
Good. Yes, Ankit.
May drive a car. May I drive a car? I meant drive a car.
Very good.
I may believe the astrology. May I believe the astrology? I meant believe the astrology.
Very
I may
good.
clean the car. May I clean the car? I meant clean the car.
Good. I may.
I may collect the trophy. May I collect the trophy? I meant collect the trophy.
Very good. Next.
I may close the matter. May I
boil the milk?
Very good.
He may change the clothes. May he
May.
change the clothes? He meant
He may.
change the clothes.
Very
Yes, sir.
good. He may change the clothes. May he change the clothes? He may change the clothes. Next.
I may choose a earphone. May I choose a earphone? I meant choose a earphone.
Good. Next.
I may accept the job. May I accept the job? I meant accept the job.
Good. Next.
I may agree with you. May I agree with you? I meant agree with you.
Good. Next.
I may collect the money. May I collect the money? I meant collect the money.
Very good.
I may buy a
May
yacht.
compensate with fees. May I compensate with fees? I meant compensate with fees.
Okay. Your voice is
I
little.
may arrive the airport. May I arrive the airport? I meant arrive the airport.
Very good. Arrive at the airport.
I may attend the meeting. May I attend the meeting? I meant attend the meeting.
Very good.
I may compare with.
I may compare.
Hello. I may
I may climb the mountain. May I climb the mountain? I meant climb the mountain.
I may take care of myself. May I take care of myself? I mean take care of myself.
I may approach employee. May I approach employee? I meant approach employee.
He
Very
may
good.
close the door. May he close the door? He meant close the door.
I may
Very
change
good.
myself. May I change myself? Uh,
I mean,
I meant change myself.
very nice.
She may ask me. May she ask me? She meant ask me.
Very good.
I may allow match. May I allow match? I meant allow match.
Very good.
She attend
ma'am.
the lecture. May she attend the lecture? She meant attend the lecture.
She
Very good.
may adopt a child. May she adopt a child? She meant adopt a child.
I
Very
may
good.
admit a patient.
May I advance
May I admit
payment? May I advance payment? I meant advance payment.
Okay. Yes, Karthik.
I may admit a patient. May I admit a patient? I meant admit a patient.
Good, ma'am.
I may build castle. May I build castle? I meant build castle.
She
Build a
may
castle.
behave on.
I may collect the money. May I collect the money? I meant collect the money.
Very good.
She may believe
May I
on you. May she
May I bath?
believe on you. She may
I
believe on you.
I may add money. May I add money? I meant add money.
Very good.
I may arrest dacoit. May I arrest dacoit? I meant arrest dacoit.
Very good. I may arrest dacoits. May I arrest dacoits? I meant arrest dacoits. Yes.
Can you
Can you
bath?
please?
May I
Can
bath?
you?
I may bath.
He may. She may.
She may accept. May she accept? She meant accept.
Very good. Next.
She may take butlers. May she take butlers? She meant take butlers.
I
Very
may
good.
accept permission. May I accept permission? I meant accept permission.
Very good.
She may
She
access
may
from me.
ask me.
May she
May
access
she
from me.
ask
She
me. She meant
may
ask me.
access from me.
Good. She may ask. She may. Yes. Pradeep. Yes.
She may access from me. May she access from me. She may access from me.
Very good. She may.
She may make furniture. May she make furniture? She meant make furniture.
Very good. Next.
I may handle a problem. May I handle a problem? I meant handle a problem.
Good boy.
She
Can you
may
please?
He may
change.
approach me.
Yes.
Continue.
She may change the room. May she change the room? She meant change the room.
Very good. Next. Next. He may. She may.
Me.
He may meet peddler. May he meet peddler? He meant may meet peddler.
Very good.
He
He
may
may classify the structure.
He may adopt.
Very good. Next.
He may classify the structure. May he classify the structure? He meant classify the structure.
Very good. Next.
She may accept it. May she accept it? She meant accept it.
Very good. Yes. Continue. Ankit. Pradeep. Umer. Ma'am.
She may meet warehouse. May she meet warehouse? She meant meet warehouse.
She may climb the mountain. May she climb the mountain? She meant climb the mountain.
Climb the mountain. Next.
Climb the mountain.
Take some new
Capture
words.
the
Take some new
moment.
words
May
here.
she capture the moment?
She meant.
She
May
meant
calculate
capture
the
the
total.
moment.
May
Very
calculate the total.
She may
Mom.
come tomorrow. She may come tomorrow.
May she?
Hello. She may come tomorrow. May she
May
come tomorrow?
She meant.
She meant come tomorrow.
She
Very
may
good.
read menu card. May she read menu card? She meant read menu card.
Very good.
She
Yes.
may blush. May she blush? She meant blush.
Very good.
May disturb the meeting. May she disturb the meeting. She may disturb the meeting.
She may Amazon. May she Amazon? She meant Amazon.
Be Amazon.
The
She
Amazon.
may answer the question. May she answer the question? Answer the question.
Okay. Yes, he may, she may. Karthik,
She may complain.
may she?
May she complain? She may complain.
Very good. Yes,
She
Guttu.
may apply the job. May she apply the job? She meant apply the job.
Good. Chaitali.
He may think about childhood. May he think about childhood? He meant think about childhood.
Very good. Can you please
She
make
may
sentence?
declare.
Yeah.
She may declare her decision. May she declare her decision? She may declare her decision.
Very good. Ankit.
He may declare the holiday. May he declare the holiday. He meant declare the holiday.
Very good. He may declare a holiday. Yes. Okay, can you please make with it may? It may rain today. It may allow me. It may affirm. It may declare. It may pass a new law. Continue, please.
It
Yes.
may autumn season. May it autumn season? It meant autumn season.
It may a few minutes. May it few minutes. It may
It may wait.
few minutes.
It may wait few minutes.
It may few minutes.
It may destroy enemy. May it destroy enemy. It may destroy enemy.
Very good. Yes. It may boycott the products. May it boycott the products. It may boycott the products.
Sir, what's the meaning of
What's the meaning of?
boycott?
निषेध करना. निषेध करने.
Okay, sir.
इन्हें छोड़ दिया.
Yes.
It may appear on the road. May it appear on the road? It meant appear on the road.
Very nice. कार्तिक भाऊ. मंडळ तुमचे आभारी. Make sentences.
It may apology his mistake. May it apology his mistake. It might apology his mistake.
Good. It may apologize. Apology for the mistake. Made apology for this mistake. It may apologize for the mistake. Yes.
It may allow for children. May it allow.
May eat. Yes.
It may breathe. May it breathe? It meant breathe.
Very good. Yes. Yes, it may. Can you
It
please
may
give me some?
behave. It may behave like silent. May it behave like silent? It meant behave like silent.
Okay, can you please take these words that make sentence with you may, we may, they may. You may, we may, and they may.
You
You may
may deserve for this prize. May you deserve for this prize. You may deserve for this prize.
Very good. Yes.
You may leave the book in the library. May you leave the book in the library. You meant leave the book in the library.
Leave the books.
Okay, sir.
They may encounter in the cricket. May they encounter in the cricket. They may encounter in the cricket.
Very good.
May
Next.
control the situation. May you control the situation. You meant control the situation.
Very good. Yes.
So what do you mean by digest?
Pardon?
Digest. D-I-G-S-T. Yes.
This one, right?
Hello.
Hello, Pradeep.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Actually, your voice is lagging a lot, Pradeep. Hello.
Your voice also.
Put in the chat box. Put in the chat box. Yes, please make sentences.
You may disagree for this decision. May you disagree for this decision. You may disagree for this decision.
Very good. Make sentences with you, we, they, you, we, they. Yes, Guddu.
We
Umer.
may disagree. May we disagree? We may disagree.
Very good.
You may cry. May you cry. You may cry.
वेरी गुड. डिजेस्ट करना मतलब यानी हजम करना. अभी अपन खाना करके खाना डाइजेस्ट करते नहीं क्या? पचाना.
Pachana.
Okay.
Yes,
You may
continue.
conduct the exam. May you conduct the exam. You meant conduct the exam.
Very good.
Party. May they enjoy the party? They may enjoy the party.
Very good.
You may create new job for peoples. May you create new job for peoples. You may create new job for peoples.
You may
Very
drop the courier. May you drop the courier.
They may
You may
consume
drop the courier.
data. They may consume data. They may consume data.
Very good. Yes.
You may demand in future. May you demand in future. You may demand in future.
Very good.
You may dry the clothes. May you dry the clothes. You may dry the clothes.
Very good. Yes. You may, they may, they may continue. May they continue. They may continue. They may enjoy. May they enjoy. They may enjoy. They may disgust. May they disgust. They may disgust. They may conduct. May they conduct. They may conduct.
We
They
they
may
cor-
cover. They may cover. Yes, Guddu.
we may correct. May we correct. We may correct.
Very good. We may correct them. May we correct them. We may correct them.
They
We
may
may
earn
cover.
sufficient
We may
amount.
deliver your.
Yes.
Continue.
They may enter in the room. May they enter in the room. They may enter in the room.
Yes.
They may deserve it. May they deserve it. They may deserve it.
Very nice. Very nice. Yes, Ankit, Karthik, Pradeep.
They
Umer.
may encourage the students. May they encourage the students. They may encourage the students.
Good.
We may
Chaitanya.
deliver your parcel. May we deliver your parcel? We may deliver your parcel.
So what do you
Very
mean by endeavor?
Endeavor. What do you mean by endeavor? Endure. Endure मतलब नहीं छोड़ देना. अपन बोलते हैं ना मैंने उसको वैसे ही छोड़ दिया. कोई जख्म था, उस जख्म को मैंने काम नहीं किया, उसके ऊपर वैसे ही छोड़ दिया, उसको अधूरा छोड़ दिया. Yes, continue please. Yes, continue. Yes. Endure. Continue please.
They may
We
drop
may
the
direct
letter.
call you. May we direct call you? We may direct call you.
Good.
We may cross the line. May we cross the line. We meant cross the line.
Very good. Yes.
They may convert the ideas. May they convert the ideas. They may convert the ideas.
Very good. Next.
They may continue this session. May they continue this session. They may continue this session.
They may control
They made
pollution.
they
May
made
be control pollution. Don't control pollution.
Very good.
They may
Pollution.
withdraw money. May they withdraw money. They may withdraw money.
Good.
They
Pradeep.
they may deliver the parcel today. May they deliver the parcel today. They may deliver the parcel today.
Very good.
they
Pradeep.
may cross they may cross limit. May they cross limit. They may cross the limit.
Very good. Very good. Next.
We may correct the problem. May we correct the problem. We mayn't correct the problem.
Very good. Ankit.
Make
Sentences good.
cry down. May they cry down. They may cry down.
Two. Umer.
Hello sir.
Yes.
Cry down means
Cry मतलब यानी आवाज से रोने का. चिल्ला चिल्ला के.
अच्छा.
Cry down
up
मतलब
means
cry up चिल्ला चिल्ला के रोने का. And cry down फुट फुट के रोना मतलब यानी ऐसे गिर गिर के ऐसे रोते मालूम है आप लोगों ने देखा रहेगा. Cry down. अरे ये
चाइल्ड रोते सर.
नाराज होके रोते एकदम हल्की आवाज से. आवाज कम रहती है पर एकदम
जब ब्रेकअप होता है उस टाइम.
करेक्ट. हाँ. ब्रेकअप रॉन्ग. करेक्ट. कंटिन्यू.
We may continue seminar. May we continue seminar.
Remains.
We mayn't continue seminar.
They may
make
enjoy a
history.
party.
They make history. May
They may enjoy a party.
they make history. May they make history. They may make history.
Yes. Miss Chaitali, ma'am.
They may take a bribe. May they take a bribe. They may take a bribe.
Yes, Mr.
They may
Ankit.
empty the bottle. May they empty the bottle. They may empty the bottle.
Good. Miss Chaitali.
They make control the
That is a
situation.
golden
May,
handshake. Maybe that is a golden handshake. We meant that is a golden handshake.
Wow. Very nice. Yes.
they may control the situation. May they control the situation. They may control the situation.
Good.
Sir,
Next.
Deny means
DENY, right? Deny.
yes, sir. DENY.
Deny. रद्द करना. रद्द करने. Deny.
They may deny the exam. May they deny the exam. They may deny the exam.
Very good. Deny. Yes.
We
They
may
may
continue.
swim deep. May they swim deep. They may swim deep.
Very good.
May consume
They
data.
may deserve the World Cup. May they deserve the World Cup. They may deserve the World Cup.
Very good. Yes.
They may control the situation. May they control the situation. They may control the situation.
Very good.
They
Yes.
they may be create a history. Sir, right?
Yes. They may create history.
When they create the history, they may create a history.
Very good. So, any doubts to anyone with this? They may.
No, sir.
Oh, sir.
So, may we use for possibility and permission. We use may for possibility and permission. Tomorrow we are going to have only one round with might, and then we are going to learn something new tomorrow. All right. So please keep on practicing at home. And if you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask me directly. All right.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Please keep practicing at home.
सर
And I'm going
वीडियो
to
कब
start.
तक अपलोड होंगे?
मैं बात करता हूँ उनके साथ में, बोलता हूँ मैं आपको. हो जाएगा, जल्दी अपलोड हो जाएगा. रात में एक्चुअली रात में करती है अपलोड वो, मेरी जो असिस्टेंट है. दिन भर में इतना काम होता है ना, तो वो रात में करती है वो अपलोड वो. So मैं बोलता हूँ उनको. And second thing is what I'm starting my physical batches from this December in camp. So if you have any friends who want to join, so you can just ask them to join as well. So physical face-to-face classes are starting from this December in camp near Pune College. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. If you have any friends, any relatives, neighbors, acquaintances, you can let them join too. See you. Cheerio.
Cheerio, sir. Thank you, sir.
Cheerio, sir. Thank you.